EBIKELING 48-volt 1200-watt e-bike conversion kit is a powerful and reliable upgrade for cyclists looking to transform their traditional bikes into high-performance electric machines. Designed to fit 26 inches rear wheels, this waterproof electric bike kit is ideal for both everyday commuters and adventure seekers. Its robust 1200-watt hub motor delivers impressive power, making uphill rides and long distances easier and more enjoyable. One of the standout features of this kit is its all-weather durability. With waterproof components, you can ride confidently through rain or snow. The kit includes everything needed for installation: hub motor, controller, LCD display, throttle, brake levers, PS system, torque arm, and cable ties. While the battery and tire are not included, the integration-ready components and pre-attached motor on the double-walled aluminum rim simplify installation, allowing most users to get started with minimal hassle. Compatibility is another strength. Whether you own a mountain bike, trike, beach cruiser, or commuter bike, this kit adapts to various frame types. The Strash 10mm axle fits most steel forks, though minor filing may be necessary. The controller features an SY60 connector, which is compatible with XT60, offering flexibility for battery choices. EBIKELING enhances user convenience with optional add-ons like a secure phone holder, waterproof saddle and pannier bags, and a 400-lumen headlight with horn, elevating the overall ride experience. Backed by a 1-year warranty on the motor and battery, and a 3-month warranty on other components, this kit offers solid value. For those seeking performance, reliability, and ease of use, the EBIKELING 1200 watts conversion kit is a top-tier choice. The AW 48-volt 1000-watt electric bike conversion kit is a powerful and reliable solution for converting a standard 26-inch bicycle into a high-performance electric bike. Designed for rear-wheel installation with a 5/16-inch dropout spacing, this kit is ideal for daily commutes, casual rides, or light touring. At its core is a 1000-watt brushless, gearless hub motor, capable of delivering smooth, low-noise performance with a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour, providing both power and efficiency without compromising ride comfort. A standout feature of this kit is its dual-mode 48-volt 30-act controller, which supports both Hall and non-Hall effect operation. This design ensures motor functionality even if one component fails, thereby extending the overall lifespan of the system and enhancing reliability during long-term use. Paired with this is the Pedal Assist System, HASS, which intuitively adjusts motor output based on pedaling cadence, allowing riders to reduce wrist fatigue and ride longer distances more comfortably. The LCD display panel adds modern convenience, showing essential metrics such as PAS level, battery voltage, mileage, and ride time, helping riders track performance in real time. Safety is addressed with power-cutting brake levers, which immediately disengage motor power during braking, providing responsive control and enhanced security on the road. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy frame, the AW kit supports riders up to 220 pounds, while its gearless drivetrain reduces internal friction and mechanical wear. With CE certification, users can ride with added peace of mind regarding quality and safety. Overall, the AW 1000-watt e-bike conversion kit offers a compelling mix of power, functionality, and user-friendly features. Whether you're an urban commuter or a weekend explorer, this kit delivers dependable electric performance with a straightforward installation process. The BAFANG mid-drive electric bike conversion kit is a premium upgrade option for cyclists seeking a powerful and customizable e-bike experience. Available in 500 watts, 750 watt, and 1000 watt motor options, the BBS02B and BBS HD mid-drive motors offer torque ranging from 100 to 160 Nm, allowing riders to confidently tackle steep hills, rugged trails, or city streets. With speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour, and multiple riding modes, including throttle, pedal assist, and standard cycling, this kit brings unmatched versatility and power to your ride. One of the standout features is its wide compatibility. Designed to fit bottom brackets of 68 to 73 mm standard and extended options of 100 mm and 120 mm, it works with most mountain bikes, city bikes, and trikes that use disc or V-brakes and a chain-driven system. While the 73 mm screws aren't included by default, the brand provides assistance upon request. This level of customization makes it ideal for both DIY e-bike builders and experienced cyclists. The kit includes most essential accessories for conversion: thumb throttle, brake levers, chain wheel, speed sensor, headlight, bottom bracket removal tools, and optional battery and LCD display, giving users the freedom to tailor their builds. BAFANG also provides easy installation tools and comprehensive support materials, including manuals and online video tutorials, ensuring a smoother setup process even for first-timers. For added peace of mind, BAFANG offers US-based technical support and emphasizes safety with batteries equipped with battery management systems, BMS, that protect against overcharging, deep discharge, and extreme temperatures. These lithium batteries are rated for 1,000+ charge cycles, offering long-term durability and reliability. The PEXMOR 48-volt 1200-watt electric bike conversion kit offers an exceptional combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly features for cyclists looking to transform their standard 26-inch bike into a high-performance e-bike. Available in a front or rear wheel configuration, this kit features a 1200-watt brushless hub motor that delivers powerful, quiet, and efficient performance. With a top speed of 36.6 miles per hour, 59 kilometers per hour, it is ideal for long-distance commuting or adrenaline-filled recreational rides. One of the most notable highlights is the upgraded 3-mode controller, which operates under both Hall effect and non-Hall effect modes. If a sensor fails, the motor continues functioning under non-Hall mode, increasing reliability. The sine wave controller enhances efficiency while significantly reducing noise and vibration, key benefits for smoother rides. The kit includes a pedal assist system, PASS, that supports 4 riding modes: throttle, presets, PIS, and manual. This flexibility allows riders to switch between modes based on terrain, fatigue levels, or speed preference, improving long-distance comfort. Safety is also a priority, with power-cutting brake levers that shut off motor power during braking, protecting both rider and components. A torque arm further stabilizes the motor wheel, reducing stress on the dropouts and enhancing durability. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, the kit supports up to 142 pounds, and its compatibility with standard 100mm front dropout spacing ensures a wide range of bike fits. The LCD display clearly shows speed, pass level, battery status, and more, while the twist throttle allows for intuitive, responsive control. The Ringmaster 48-volt 1,000-watt rear-wheel electric bike conversion kit is an ideal solution for cyclists looking to upgrade their 20-inch bikes into efficient, high-performance e-bikes. Built with a robust 1,000-watt brushless, gearless motor, this kit delivers impressive torque, 40 and speeds of up to 26.72 per hour, making it suitable for commuting, beach cruising, or even light off-road adventures. Its 882% plus motor efficiency ensures smooth and energy-efficient performance across various terrains. This conversion kit stands out for its user-friendly design and complete accessory package, which includes a power-off brake lever, SW810 LED display, thumb throttle, PASS sensor, controller bag, and even a 7-speed flywheel. Installation is straightforward, and thoughtful features like the power cutoff brake levers enhance safety by immediately disconnecting the motor during emergency stops. The pedal assist system, PAS, adjusts motor output based on your pedaling rhythm, reducing wrist strain and making long rides more comfortable. The LED display provides real-time feedback on speed, mileage, power level, gear, and error indicators, offering full visibility and control during your ride. Durability is another strong point. The use of aluminum, iron, copper, and magnetic steel, along with a protective baking paint finish, ensures the kit resists rust, scratches, and wear over time. The motor is also paired with waterproof wiring for added reliability in variable weather. With a load capacity of up to 308 pounds, this kit accommodates most riders and bike frames. Its ability to climb 12-degree inclines and maintain stable speed and braking control enhances its versatility. Whether you're modifying a mountain, beach, or city bike, the Ringmaster 1000 Boblio conversion kit provides an efficient and enjoyable riding experience.